Welcome to Ridvej Finance, and guess what? We came back with a IPO detail. Aqueous IPO detail, Aqueous Limited. This is the company. Uh, Frankly speaking, we are not going to predict anything great, but we will say that the company had potential. This company has originally incorporated from Mechanical Training Academy Private Limited in the year of 2000 from 27th March. So this company is basically into aerospace sector where they are manufacturing many things. Okay, we will not go in a deep dive analysis over here. We will take a one look out. They are having more than 4,538 employees, including contract laborer, on September 30, 2025. My gosh. Airbus, Collin Aerospace, Eaton, GKN Aerospace, Safran, Spirit Aerosystem Incorporation, Boeing, Hasbro's, Tremontina, Spin Master, Wonderchef, and among others they are 15 OEM customer group. They are having global presence. Okay. And apart from that, see, they produce more than 5,000 product into the aerospace. Basically, apart from that, their brand name is Wonder Chef. They are having manufacturing area is more than 2.22 million MN plus in 3 continent. They are having strategy over here where 200 computer numerical control CNC machinery in the aerospace segment, 161 molding machines, and axis milling and turn machines 3/4/5, 2.92 annual install capacity in machine and molding hours as of 30th September 2025. 100% in country value addition selected product. What is this, products or product? So this is all about the company strategy. We will says that Karnataka based company has grow. This company has literally grow with the amazing. They are having manufacturing unit in Texas, North America, and France. See, when frankly speaking over here, if we says that the company is from the aerospace sector, and what we can say, this is not a looks like a merger and acquisition. This is looks like a manufacturer with this born with the silver spoon. Means we don't get, or everybody will frame it in a different manner, but aerospace products are is not easy, or it is not yeah, after some time probably Indian industry from the aeronautics or aerodynamics or aerospace related products may be produced large amount of in India. But right now, as we see in these companies, 15 OEM, then it's quite strategizing one. Okay, yes. And the key player contract manufacturing of aqueous compete with major aerospace and consumer electronics component manufacturer companies, as well as major consumer durable companies, both domestic and foreign. Some of them are key player in operating in India, like Foxconn India. These are their competitor, Tata Electronics, Dixcon Technology, Keynes Technology, Aqueous, Unimax. So these are their peer competitor, Azad Engineering and PTC Industries. So if we see their large amount of portfolio over here, the portfolio basically, see why they globally present and how they have established in India. So we will say this company is good as in a finance sector. You will see the sustainability. This company will sustain at least next 10 years down the line, probably. So, anyways, guys, Vridhi Finance, I believe it. Every influencer probably says these things about the company, but Vridhi Finance will give a rating too. I mean, so we will speak about the IPO detail of this company, Aqueous Limited. The sign of Aqueous Limited is Aqueous. 3rd December, this IPO will be open till 5th December. If you are from B2B and if you want to invest in any IPO, you can invest in this kind of companies. If you are a retail individual investor, probably you will not get a subscription even. I mean, there are large amount of people will subscribe this IPO as we expected. More than 45% subscribe people may subscribe it. Even they don't subscribe it this IPO. We will see there is amazing things while listing. First, we will see the report and then we will declare it the expected GMP. The price range between 118 to 124 per equity share. Discount 11 rupees per equity for eligible employees, benefited one. Face value 10 rupees per equity share. Ticket size RE1. And IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead manager JM Financial Limited, IIFL Capital Service Limited, and Kotak Mahindra Capital Limited. Sponsored bank HDFC Bank Limited and Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. So we will see something about their ownership. So all about, if we go with the Vridhi finance rating for this company Aqueous Limited, this company will give it to you good amount of. We will not say anything in that case, but Aqueous may sustain in the market for a long term, so you can see long term perspective. Vridhi Finance give this company rating 3 out of 5. I believe it. This is a very less rating or something like that. Yeah, we have started, I believe it, in the year of 2023, that we will give some rating, but unexpectedly we stopped because we don't get the time and our devices has literally gone wrong. So anyways, their HUF means the company body corporated of HUF is Aqueous Incorporation Arabian Private Limited, Adventure Co LLC, Ask Airlease LLC, Jayalakshmi Minerals Private Limited, Let's Services Automotive Technology Private Limited, Mayflower Investment LLC, Meligri Family Irrevocable Trust, Meligri Family Trust, Meligri Investment LLC, MFO Advisory Service LLP, MF is MFRE Properties Private Limited, MFRE Trans LLC, MFRE Texas Holding LLC, NANDS State Developer and Builders, and Navin Developers and Builders. So here the list of subsidiaries associated with the joint venture of Aqueous Limited, formerly known as Aqueous Private Limited. So Aerostructure Manufacturing India Private Limited, Aqueous Engineering Plastic Private Limited, Aqueous Force Consumer Products Private Limited, Aqueous Consumer Products Private Limited, Square Forging India Private Limited, Aerospace Process India Private Limited, Aerostructure Assemble India Private Limited, Aqueous Aero Machine Incorporation, Aqueous Aerospace France SAS, Aqueous Holding France SAS, Aqueous Toy Private Limited, Copal Toy Molding COE Private Limited, Aqueous Oil and Gas LLC, Aqueous Aerospace BV, Aqueous Toy Hong Kong Private Limited, Aqueous Rajas Extrusion Private Limited, Aqueous Home Appliances Private Limited, Aerospace Manufacturing Holding Private Limited, Aqueous Aerospace LLC, Copal Toys Tooling COE Private Limited, Aqueous Force Technology Company Limited, Aqueous Stock Options Plant Trust SCI Dew Champs Dew Puns Bernard SAS, Aqueous Cookware Private Limited, Aqueous Foundation. So this is the joint venture they are having. Yes, they have electronic components of portable computer and smart devices among the large global consumer player. Then outdoor toys, their vehicle toys, their figurine and others. STEM toy is their brand name. Then they are having a frying pan, non-stick cookware, and their brand name is Wonder Chef and Tremontina. Okay, and Spin Master is their toy name, brand name. Okay, so this is all about the company. If we see the company footprint over here, 2008 established unit say sector specified SEZ Precision Engineering at Belgaum. We buy Aqueous SEZ Private Limited. 2015 acquisition of Aqueous Aero Machine Incorporation, formerly known as T&K Machine Incorporation, by one of our subsidiaries, Aqueous Aerospace LLC, United States. 2016 expansion into Europe through acquisition of SIRA Group by one of the subsidiaries, Aqueous Holding France SAS, delivers first consignment of plastic toy and commence operation of consumer manufacturing facility in Belgavi. So 2019 inauguration of flexible manufacturing system unit in Aqueous SEZ, extending our operations for a soft metal and machines of aero parts. 2021 commencement of manufacturing of consumer durable goods in Bangalore, setting Copal manufacturing cluster comprising Aqueous Toy Private Limited, Copal Toy Molding COE Private Limited, Aqueous Rajas Extrusion Private Limited, and setting up Hubli manufacturing cluster. 2022 invitation extension of Boeing commercial airplane ASMI PL to join Boeing Premier Bidder program. 2025 commence commercial productions of laptop bottom base unit at Hubli manufacturing cluster by ACPPL. So this is all about their company footprint over here. If you start any business, we can say they have started in 2000, means company registration happened in the year of 2000. So totally 25 years they have completed into the market with the different verticals like toys, frying pans, and aerospace. So it's all about, and they're competing with the lead companies to into the market. See, when we place the order or when we export the material to other countries, it's not as easy as, okay, so we will say it's a great to see this sort of companies in into Indian market after listing. We will come back to you with the GMP prediction very soonly on Aqueous Limited. Wait and watch, as soon as possible we will reveal it. Thank you by Vridhivaj Finance. Don't forget to see our another IPO detail for Misho brand. Misho Limited people know who buy their products online, all about Misho and their competitors. We will not go into the deep. So this is one of the unicorn. Not we will not say unicorn the company Misho, but we will say is that this company probably in the nearest future we will see it. Yeah, it's like everyone is on cloud nine.